Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Guide Hub. In this video, we will be learning how to create group in Zangi. To create group in Zangi, first tap open the Zangi application. Make sure that you are logged into your application. Then in the chat section, simply tap on the pencil icon located on the bottom right. Here you can see the option to start a new group call, create group and add contact as well. Tap on create group to create a group. Now select the members by tapping on the profile picture or the profile name. Once you have selected the members, simply tap on the tick mark located on your top right. Now you have to add a group name right here. You can also add a profile picture to your group by simply tapping on the camera icon. You can take a photo using your camera or choose a photo from your gallery. Here, I won't be adding any profile photo, so I'll just go back. And now simply tap on the tick mark located on your top right. And here you go. You have successfully created group in Zangi. Now you can start messaging members instantly, share media files such as images, videos, and documents, and make voice or video calls with the group. That's it for today's video. Hope you guys find this tutorial helpful. If yes, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Press the bell icon so you never miss out our videos. Goodbye till then.